Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Solitaire Pro. First, let's cover the basics. Your main goal is to move all cards from the tableau and stock to the 4 foundation piles, sorted by suit from ace to king. The game starts with 7 tableau columns, a stock pile, a waste pile, and 4 empty foundation slots. Understanding these elements is key to starting your game successfully. Now, let's dive into tableau strategies. You can build down the tableau columns by placing cards in descending order, always alternating between red and black suits. Remember, you can move entire sequences of cards together, not just single cards, as long as the top card of the sequence fits the destination. Emptying a tableau column allows you to place a king or a sequence starting with a king, which is a powerful move. Next, let's talk about the stock and foundation piles. When you're stuck with no moves on the tableau, draw cards from the stock pile to the waste pile, looking for new opportunities. Always try to move aces to the foundation piles as soon as they become available. From there, build up each foundation pile sequentially by suit, placing a 2 on an ace, then a 3, and so on, all the way to the king. For advanced play, always try to plan a few moves ahead. Think about which cards you might need to uncover and how to avoid trapping important cards under others. Strategically emptying tableau columns is vital, as it allows you to place a king and open up new possibilities. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. It's perfect for reading anywhere, anytime.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.